Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Miss World. In this video I have come up to show making of this beautiful heavily designed sleeves pattern using the normal stitching needle. This was designed with the beads work. I'm going to show you using the normal stitching needle. The complete sleeve pattern and the markings would look like this. 2x2 square checks boxes underneath with the small curves and two lines which is of 1 centimeter in length. In that 1 centimeter I would be applying the glue lines to stick firstly the chain ball lace, followed with 2 lines of stone lace, and next again the chain ball lace. This is how the sleeve opening will be highlighted first. Follow the step-by-step process so that it will make your work easy to do. If you want to try this on your old stitched blouses, then remove the side stitches, fix the frame and follow these instructions. And next I'd be again sticking the chain ball lace here. On the curves also we have to firstly measure and cut accordingly, then apply the glue to stick this again on these curves. These materials are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. For your convenience, I have given in the description box the links. If you want, you can also check it. Like this, each and every curve has to be highlighted with the chain ball lace. Instead of chain ball lace, you can also work out with the stone lace. Next, the horizontal lines, I had already measured and cut the chain ball lace. On that lines, I'd be sticking. Again then apply the glue vertically, and on these lines I'd be sticking the chain ball lace. This way firstly we'll create the reference lines of checks box pattern. Once this is completely dried, we have to give normal chain stitches using gold zari thread on both the sides of this chain ball lace. This is how it looks. Now start in the center of the box. Firstly here I'd be inserting 2 mm gold color metallic bead like this, followed with 7 beads of 1 mm size, and I'd be giving an invisible stitches on it so that it will be in place. If you want, you can also apply the glue, then give the stitches so that it will make your work easy to do, but you can also directly do like this also, it's not an issue. Next I'd be stitching gold color sugar beads of very small size all around this. Nearly of 20 to 25 I have inserted at a time, giving an invisible stitches on it. Next again I'd be inserting 1 mm gold metallic beads. This is how we have to give the stitches on it. This pattern is exclusively designed for the bridal collection. We can also try for the party wear collection, and this though looks heavily designed, but if you know how to do it, you can't believe that this beads work design is so simple, and spending a little amount of time, this much expensive pattern we can create easily at home. And next finally I'd be stitching in the center like this with the metallic bead followed with the sugar bead. The complete square boxes has to be filled with these beads work. These are rice green beads. You can clearly see here the size, which is little bigger. 3 sizes it is available. I'd be taking here the size number 2, and these beads will stitch at these corners of squares. At the corners of each and every square box we have to highlight with these rice green beads. These are plain beads. You'll also get in designer beads with different colors and different sizes. Now at the tips of these curves I would be stitching 1 mm golden beads like this, and I would be giving an invisible stitches on complete chain bow lace, also on the stone lace, so that it will stay for long run even after frequent washes. Preferably is the dry wash or the light wash, and the leftover gaps we have to apply the glue dots like this evenly, and I would be sticking honey color small size of circular kundans. This way complete sleeves has to be highlighted with this kundan work. I'm gonna ending up the design, and the final lookout would look like this. It's really an eye blasting lookout, isn't it? The beads work, such a combination that it will really gives rich elegant look. So friends, that's all for now. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Comments World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.